Hi, welcome to another lesson for Mathematics Grade 4. In this lesson, we are going to learn further about geometry. In our previous lesson, if you remember, we learned about angles and the measurement of right angles. So let's begin with this new lesson. Let's have a look here. I'm going to draw two lines that are crossing each other. If we look at these lines, between these lines, four regions have been formed. Now, in these four regions, we are having four right angles. This is one right angle, another right angle, another right angle, and another right angle. So we can say when the two lines will cross each other in this way, there will be four right angles formed. Now, let's suppose if I have any of the arrow here, let's suppose I'm going to draw this arrow over here, over this line. Now, I can rotate this arrow either clockwise or anti-clockwise. If I fix the arrow here over at this point where both the lines are crossing, so I can rotate this arrow either in the clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction. Now, if the arrow rotates from here and reach here, let me change the color here so that it will become more visible to you. Let's suppose the arrow rotates from here and we rotate it till this one, so then we will say it rotated through one right angle, mean from this position to this position it rotated through one right angle. Now let's suppose the arrow starts rotating from this position and reach to this position in the clockwise direction, then we will say from here to here one right angle, and from here to here two right angle. So the arrow rotated two right angle in this case when we are having this green line over here. So I will say it rotated two right angle. From here to here will be two right angle, and from here to here will be only one right angle. So in this case will be two right angles. And if the arrow move from here to here and arrive here in this position in the clockwise direction, I'm saying in the clockwise direction, starting from here to here, it moved three right angles, and all these angles that we rotated are clockwise. But if I will say from this position to this position, if the arrow rotates, then it will be only one right angle. From here to here will be only one right angle, and then from here to here will be two right angles. From here to here will be three right angles, and starting from here to here there will be four right angles. So it means if something start moving, like let's suppose this is the arrow and we fix it here and move it and it complete one circle and come back to the original position, then we will say it make four right angles. Four right angles, it means four angles of 90-degree each. Now let's move to the learner book page 60 for some practice about how we will do the questions of this type. Here the question number 4 on the page number 60 is, here are the five angle cards. We have five angle cards A, B, C, D and E. Put the card in order of the size starting with the smallest angle. Now if we look at all these cards, the smallest one from them is 40-degree. So I will say the smallest card is B, it is 40-degree. The next the next angle is half a right angle. We know a right angle is 90-degree. So if we take the half of the right angle, that will be equal to a 45-degree. So it means this half a right angle will be equal to 45-degree. So the next angle that will come in this order from the smallest to the largest, it will be the card C. In this order will be the card E, because the card E is 80-degree, so it will be the next in this order. So I will write the card E. Now the next angle in this order which is greater than E is the card D, because a right angle is equal to 90-degree. So I will write the card D. and the largest card here is having the angle 100 degree written on it. So I'll write 100 degree over here. Now next is, here we have a spinner. In the spinner, the arrow position is showing here, and the arrow can move freely either in this clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction. So the question is saying the arrow on the spinner turns 90 degree in the clockwise direction. It means the direction of the rotation will be this one. So which drawing below shows the new position? Now if it is 90 degree clockwise, so from here it will be only one right angle. 90 degree mean it is one right angle. So if we will have one right angle, so from here to here it will be one right angle. So the position will be this one. And where is that position? It is D. So I will say that the option D is the correct option. Because in this one you can see there is no rotation in A, and in B it rotated 90 degree but anti-clockwise. In C it rotated, you can say 180 degree, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, it will be the same. So the rotation is same. And then the second part of this question is saying the arrow spins through a whole turn. How many degrees does it turn through? So as I mentioned you, that when it turns through a whole spin, it means starting from here, moving either in this direction, coming back here, or from this direction and coming back to the original one. It will have the four right angles over here. So four right angles, it means I will say four right, it means 4 times 90. So the answer will be 360 degree. So we have to remember that through one rotation, anything if it will move through one complete rotation, it will swap an angle of 360 degree.